Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you an unboxing of the August Wax Sale Club box, and let me tell you, you are going to love it. So let's jump in. All right, let me show you what's coming in this box. So the very first thing that I want to show you is the stamp, and it's a mini stamp. You know I love minis. 15 millimeters, so on one side we have the cutest little 3D acorn, and on the other, the cutest little 3D pumpkin. So this box is all about fall with the acorn, with the pumpkin, all 3D, and it's so, so cute. So that is the stamp that is coming in this box. It's such a good one. And the sealing wax colors, these are voted on by the members of the club. So these were the 3 most popular colors, and I love them. They are all brand new colors to the shop, so they've never been in the shop before, which is also an exciting part. But you can see we've got 2 really gorgeous metallics and 1 green. So we've got, this color is called Acorn, we've got metallic oat, and sage. So I especially love this green. I love all of them, but the green is so gorgeous, and I don't quite have this color yet. I don't have this dark metallic either, and I don't exactly have this one either. So they're all new in the shop, brand new colors and tones. So you get, every time you get the Wax Sale Club box, you get 1 wax sale stamp and 3 sealing wax sticks. But of course, you know me, I love to have a little bonus. But before that, I'm going to show you the seals. So this is what they look like once they're actually pressed. So you can see we've got the cute little acorn. It's got some really faint detailing on the top, which is so fun. And the little pumpkin with the little curly vine. It's so cute, but you can see all the different colors. They're so pretty. And I love this color combination together. The last 2 years, my sister grows tons of pumpkins in the fall, and she always grows a green variety. And so I love the green with this because since then I've become obsessed with green pumpkins. And so these colors are going to be so fun for doing 2-tone sills. And of course they look just gorgeous and cute on their own as well. But you know there has to be a bonus. So this is for everyone who's an existing subscriber. Thank you for continuing to get the box. And also for everyone who is new, if you order the box by Friday, August 7th, you'll get this bonus as well. But there's 2 items. So the first are some gold foil flakes. So this cute little jar of those, and a blank stamp. So this size, it's a little smaller than the standard 25 millimeter. It's a 20 millimeter stamp, but it's really great for doing double sills. So you can see we can do 1 mini sill, and then I'll be teaching you how to do a blank sill underneath it with the foil. So it's so fun, such a fun technique. And blanks, I mean, you can never have enough blanks. There's so many techniques with these. And so I'm so excited to show you more techniques over the next few weeks with these supplies from the Wax Sale Club box. But this box is ready to ship. So existing subscribers, this is going to be shipping out for you on August 3rd, and your subscription is going to renew on Friday, July 31st. And everyone else, it will ship as soon as you order it. So I would love to have you get this box. The Wax Sale Club, you get 1 stamp and 3 sealing wax sticks every other month. But you, of course, also get the bonus items, which are so much fun. So let me know if you have any questions. I would love to send this one to you. Make sure to check the link in the description below to subscribe, and subscribe by August 7th to get the bonus. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. If you would like to get the August Wax Sale Club box, make sure to check the link in the description below. And thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.